I'm Mary Moran, and I'm the principal at Goodwin Technical High School. Our mission is to not only give students a high school diploma so that they can pursue higher education, but to also have them leave here with a trade skill, able to go directly into the workforce, into a job that pays well. This building comes into play because this was the opportunity for our students to actually create from scratch a building that encompasses brand new technologies, and they got the opportunity to install them from ground zero.
My name is Giovanni Montavo and I'm 17 years old. We basically did the rough construction, the siding, the roofing, the framing in the inside.
So how long did it take to build this whole house?
It took about 4 or 5 months to get done with all the help from all the other carpenters too.
The carpentry department built the foundation of the house, built the whole house, and the electrical department wired the house, put up the solar panels, and wired everything inside. My name is Anthony Lopez, I'm 17 years old, and I'm from the East Goodwin Electrical Department. I had a really good experience working with my fellow classmates. We got to bond a little bit more. Like you said, it was a little bit nerve-wracking at first being on the roof, but as soon as everybody started getting comfortable, we started learning how to help each other out and really work as a team.
My name is Paul Jarvis and I am 17. We wired in the solar panels, and the team, I think that overall we did work as was a well team. You know, we got the panels up very fast. You know, we practiced a lot, and I think it was just a great project, and I wish we could start over again.
Yeah, I feel like I could do this with my eyes closed, you know.
You built a roof on the ground, so you could do it on the ground first before you attempted to go up on a roof, a real roof, and put it in. My name is Bruce Angelosic. My role here is to guide the electrical departments in all the technical high schools in Connecticut, to guide and teach the younger students for the green market, and hopefully hire some of those students in the future.
So why are solar panels an eco-friendly way to get our energy?
It's an eco-friendly way because it uses the sun. The sun's here every day. It won't go nowhere. If it does, well, obviously we're in trouble, but it helps. It's free energy. You can save money on your electric bill, and you just rely on the sun.
So how many panels did you guys put in?
We put up 9 panels, 3 on each side.
Okay.
Each panel produces roughly around 24 volts, and since there's 9 panels, it produces about 216 volts altogether.
So these solar panels aren't directly feeding the lights, they're kind of saving the energy that's coming in from the sun?
Yeah, the energy that's coming from the sun is going to an inverter.
Well, this is the inverter that the line coming down from the solar panels, they create what's called DC power, which is direct power, and changes it into AC power, alternating current, which will make it so we can use the power in the house, like the lights and the fan and all the different types of things that pull the power from the panel right here. And right now we're creating 208 volts from the actual panels on top.
So tell us about the different kinds of lights in here.
Well, this is an LED light bulb, and they call it a light emitted diode, and it's a very bright light bulb and has a longer life band. And this is also a incandescent bulb. It's a floodlight, but it's an incandescent bulb, and it's just showing you how different it could be or energy efficient. Obviously, you can see one's brighter than the other, which the wattage might be higher, which shows you how more efficient it could be. All right, this is a CFL light bulb, and it's almost like a fluorescent light bulb. It has mercury in it, and you can see how it's very dim than the other ones we saw before. That's because it's more efficient than using a regular incandescent light bulb or using a light emitted diode or LED light.
Right, okay, so it doesn't use more than it needs to?
No, it's a lower rated light bulb, so it doesn't use as much, so in the end you use less electricity, so you save.
I think it is very important that we teach the younger generation about solar and the electrical field. And it is an electrical position, and hopefully these young students will come out well educated, and we can hire them on today's green workforce.
In the future, I would love to do this type of work. It's really fun, it's easy, and I like it. I like working hands-on.
It's very, very gratifying to see what our kids can do.
I have to say, every time I come to this building, it makes me feel like wow, I did that, you know. Especially with the teammates, and you know, obviously I had people help me, but you know, it's a great thing, you know, except looking at a big project like this and having the self-satisfactory of, wow, I did this and I'm only 17.
Our children live in the world we give them, so I want to give them a better place than what I came in here with. And if we can get these kids on the right track and get them motivated in the green energy and renewable energy and the solar, we can really take hold of Connecticut here.